You guys ready?
He's using a sniper. Damn it.
Damn.
Oh, he got his machine gun.
Thinks I'd look a bit suspicious if we were all aiming.
Remember your 20 feet.
Sure.
Don't forget that, because I will shoot you.
He's not sniping.
He's not sniping.
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
You guys ready?
2, 1, go!
Gotta wind. Already. You push up, I'll set you back. Where's he at? I got now. Did anyone go right?
I think so.
Sauce is on our team. He's right there. Oh, there's one. I'm gonna move up. You got me covered? Go, move around. Let's go. I'll cover you. Go, go, go. He's f***ed if he moves. Go on. I don't know. Let's keep going. Sarah, let's go. Hit! Hit!
You're out of there. if he's that close.
I don't know what the fuck that was.
Fun watching those.
This is like...
It's an intense battle.
Hey Julian, remember 20-foot range.
I'd buck it if I were you.
Julian, you have your knife, right?
John, I believe you're dead.
There we go.
I'm getting in there.
Yeah.
Camera!
Cameraman.
Oh, I got shot too. I can feel it now.
Was it 2-on-1?
Yeah.
That's the same thing I said, but you prefer. It means the same thing.
Silas, where are you, man?
I would run!
Did you not hit?
Oh,
I hit you!
I'll eat it.
I hit you! I thought he hit you, that's why I was like, what? I win though. You didn't hit me.
Julian got hit beforehand.
Yeah, I was like, what?
Yeah, Julian,
No, but I
you
shot
lost.
him first.
Did you actually get hit?
I hit him first. I hit you first.
Okay,
I shot you twice. I'm
Doesn't
still
matter.
alive. You did.
If he hasn't called it, Julian, if he hasn't called it, it doesn't get it. Don't consider it a hit.
So, you want to do a 1v1? Me against you? Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Megan Take 2010X, and this 1v1 between Nathan and Julian goes on for the rest of the video, which is quite a long time. It's not too exciting, but I'll put a link to where you can skip to the end because it's really funny at the end when eventually Julian does get shot by Nathan, and yeah, it's pretty funny. So it's not too exciting, but if you want to watch it, you can go right ahead, and I'll shut up now. Thanks.
Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Of course you run back there. That's fine. So you can play this game. How many rounds you got left? That's right. I know how to count. Of course you're reloading, which I hear right now. Damn, son. Calm down. Look at it. Did you shoot yourself? No. I'm glad you're videoing this. This is actually good.
Camera!
Cracks?
Yep. Just charge at each other.
Yeah. One-handed a pistol.
You Cody.
Oh, fuck! Oh, hey! Oh, bitch! Oh! It's a good try, sir. Right in the asshole. Oh. I like shooting you in the ass. What can I say? In the ass. Oh! Bitch! Oh! Damn! Get the fucking camera out of here.